Why should you adopt artificial intelligence in your business? Here are some interesting facts. With more data, additional processing power, extra tools and techniques, and more and better prepared professionals, new AI-based companies and business models are emerging. We all use AI on a daily basis. AI is digitally transforming our society. All traditional businesses in manufacturing, financial services, retail or automotive, and not only those who were born digital, are also increasingly adopting AI in their operations. As a leader, you need to be better prepared than your competitors. Data is the mainstream of any digital transformation, and AI tools are fundamental to bring the intelligence you need. Embracing AI is complex but can be simplified. Start asking the right questions. Do you know your data? Is it enough? Is it possible to substitute the missing data by either analytical processes or by acquiring more data? Choose the right algorithms. Did you get the answers? Industrialize that competitive advantage that you've just won. Didn't you? Make a new question. Repeat the process. AI does not substitute your brain. It builds up enterprise capital by connecting human talent and machine efficiency. AI is not about machines, it is about humans. We will be glad to share our expertise and success stories with you. Closer to challenge complexity.